Who was first? Okay.
Yes, I have another concern about certification. My name is Richard Loken. I'm with Athabasca University in Alberta, Canada.
Okay.
And I work with people from every corner of the planet. When you go look at doctors and engineers, they're driving cabs. So if you're going to come up with a certification, it better not be a guild. We already have a College of Physicians and Surgeons. It's a guild. Because I come here from Pakistan, I should be able to get a job without spending 3 years driving a cab. And that is the problem I see with certification, other than the fact I don't qualify for it.
Thanks. Yes.
Hi, I'm Branson Matheson. I'm with NASA. So I've been organizing some online training and centralization of information for sysadmins for agency-wide. And one of the interesting things we have is because NASA has such a diverse set of software and systems that we have, there really isn't a lot of standardized training that can apply to our environment. So we're having to develop a lot of our own training for weird software, load systems that have to run on Windows NT and still have to exist. Things of that nature. VMS machines. We still have PDP 1133s in operation. So
sweet.
Making sure that we have people that can come in, because a lot of the graybeards are starting to, like Adam, retire, and we're trying to find ways.
Sorry,
no
I
worries.
can't laugh very loud.
We're trying.
Yeah, let's be exactly accurate in everything we say here. So.
Gray ponytail. So we're trying to find ways to do that, and that's been a real challenge for us. So I'd be interested in how you might address that thing, because when you talk about training and education, you're talking about a fairly standard baseline, as you put it, for things, Linux, Solaris, Windows, whatever. How are you going to deal with the corner cases?
Right. Well, I would say that our tools for this are terrible. Our documentation tools are really awful, and there needs to be some kind of evolution in the user interfaces for these things. Like the best tool that we have for this is a wiki, is I think a crime. And so I think that one aspect of it is tooling. We need to have some better tools for creating the documentation and then using it and evolving it. But for you guys, I think a lot of companies are actually in a similar boat, the bigger, older ones. When I was at Intel, we had a lot of systems that were kind of like what you're describing, these ancient things that we had to keep.